Sisemzimkhulu wezohatshe eJohannesburg kulapho ziphekwa khona. Asiqangule ngezikhamba phambili indaba zanamhlanje.
During January 2025 to February 2025, as the caretaker, I never allocated these sites to Goobies 85 Solutions Pty Limited, nor did I instruct Inspector Piri to do so.
Isikhulu samapholisa kaMasipalata weTshwane, uKomishinara Yolande Faro, uvumile nakaphetha ubufakazi bakhe namhlanje ekomishinini kaMadlanga ukuthi ihlelo likaMasipalata nilamapholisa kaMasipalata lokusabalalisa impahla licatshelwe ubukhohlakali.
We welcome the announcement of a ceasefire and are hopeful that it will lay the basis for a permanent resolution of the conflict.
Umengameli welizwe uCyril Ramaphosa uthi uyakwamukela ukujanyiswa kwesikhatshana kwepi phakathi kwe-America, Israel ne-Iran. Uthi inomthelela umumbe emnothweni wamazwe ngamazwe ukutsho lokhu nabe kamukela abazenda abavela kamanye amazwe abazokuhlala lapha eSouth Africa.
The family is unhappy and the Communist Party is unhappy that the municipality saw it fit despite a sound and a solid agreement between us.
Umndeni wamholi we-SACP osele aziyele kiboyisemkhulu uChrisani akhange uzithwenye ngokuyokubeka amathuthumbo ethuneni lakhe ngombana nina uMasipalata wekuruleni uthi awufuni ukusebenzisana noMasipalata lo.
Kunye nabadlali abakhona laba performako sibathathe sibapromote sibase kuma National First Division nama semi professional ngoba sebakhona ekade ke sabakhambisa khona la tournament.
Umeyara kaMasipalata wethembisile yani uLiseja Dihale uthi kuqhakathekile ukuthi uMasipalata asise emaphaliswaneni webholo wemakhaya ukuthuthukisa abadlali abasebatsha elibanjwa yiShakes Rotating Tournament. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa izindaba zesiNdebele kodwa lapha ku-SABC1 akwande sitshaba seNkosi. Isikhulu samapholisa kwaMasipalata weTshwane, uKomishinara Yolande Faro uthe nakaqeda ukwethula ubufakazi wavuma bona ihlelo likaMasipalata weTshwane kunye nelamapholisa kaMasipalata lokusabalisa impahla kusola bona licatshelwe ubukhohlakali.
Samapholisa kaMasipala weTshwane uKomishinara uYolande Faro uvume isiphakamiso sokuthi ihlelo likaMasipala kunye nelamapholisa wendlela lokukhiqiza nokusabalalisa impahla kusola bona licatshelwe ubukhohlakali.
It would appear that in relation to the tenders that we have looked at, that the SCM system within Tshwane and TMPD is compromised. What is your comment on that?
I agree.
Kuthe ngemva kwalapho wangena isekela lesikhulu samapholisa wendlela uSean Police obekasebenza njengaloyo ojeje ithenda ekusola bona linobukhohlakali nokuthi lathola ngokungalandeli imigomo nemithetho efaneleko. UPolice ubuzwe ngezinto eziphambekileko njengokungalingani kwendawo ezanikelwa iGoobies 85 Solutions enye inkampani ezafumana ingidigidi zamaranda godu kusola bona yanyulwa nguSergeant Fani Nkosi.
Did you not notice that it got a disproportionate number of allocations compared to the rest of the entities? Its allocations were far higher than those of other entities.
In the time that the invoices came to me for co-signing, I did not pick up anything immediately.
Ukunganikeli kwendawo okungalinganiko ekukhulunywa ngakho kunye nokuphasisa kwakhona kusola bona kwenziwa lipholisa ebelisaselijhe emsebenzini uInspector Lebogang Phiri. UPolice athi wenza lokhu ngaphandle kwemvume yakhe.
During January 2025 to February 2025, as the caretaker, I never allocated these sites to Goobies 85 Solutions Pty Limited, nor did I instruct Inspector Piri to do so. Nor did I give him permission or the delegated authority for him to do so.
Ukulalela kwekomishini kuyaraga.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi iSouth Africa isekela amahlelo kanje ekuhloswe ngawo ukuqeda ipi eragako phakathi kweAmerica, Israel neIran. Ikulumo kaRamaphosa iza ngemva kwesivumelwano sokubeka ingikhali phasi kwemveke ezimbili phakathi kweWashington neTehran.
Iphasili sakhokha umoya ekujanyisweni kweperakako kwemveke ezimbili. Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa wamukele ituthuko eyenziweko. Uthi ipile ibeke umnotho wamazwe ngamazwe ngaphasi kwegandelelo elikhulu.
We welcome the announcement of a ceasefire and are hopeful that it will lay the basis for a permanent resolution of the conflict. South Africa once again calls for dialogue and mediation to prevent further loss of life and destruction of property, and to ensure a just and sustainable and lasting peace.
uRamaphosa ufumene imhlolo yencwadi ezinengana eziphuma ebazendeni abanengi kunye nakubukomishinara abakhulu abayokujamela amazwe wabo elizweni. Lokhu kulandela ukuthunyelwa kweDarfara emzendeni weAmerica uLeo Brand Bozell wesithathu emnyangweni wobudlelwane bamazwe ngamazwe ngekulumo ayikhulumileko ekuthiwa ayikhambisani nomthetho.
There are serious issues between our two nations that have to be resolved. But I can tell you this, and I've already expressed it to your government, which is the United States is ready to pour money into investments in South Africa. And it's not just the private sector that's doing it, but the government that is doing it.
Ezinye inthunywa zithi zizokuraga nokuqala obuholi belizweli nobuholi bamanye amazwe ukufumana isisombululo ukuqeda ipi emazweni abo.
Abanye bababelethi babafundi beBhove Primary School eAlexander eJohannesburg basola umnyango wezefundo esifundeni seGauteng ngokubhalelwa kuqalana nendaba yokugcwala kakhulu kwamaklasi esikoleni esi. Bathi ubujamo bumbi kwangokuthi abanye abafundi bafunda bahlezi phezulu kwengikhwama zabo zesikolo. Ababelethi babawa ukuthi kwakhiwe esinye isikolo esifundisa ilimi leShivenda neXitsonga.
Ababelethi bathi bangaphezulu kwenkulungwane embili abafundi abafunda esikolweni esi. Bakholwa ukuthi lokhu kukuphula amalungelo abantwana babo abazithola bamenyene ngemaklasini.
Cabanga isikolo singena ngo-7:30 umntwana uyophuma ngo-2:30 ahleli phansi.
Umkhandlu wengameli isikolo usola umnyango wezefundo ngokuyeqisa amehlo indaba le.
It's highly impossible to produce a good results under that circumstances.
Ihlangano echochozela zefundo isection 27 ithi inkolo eziningi zeSouth Africa ziqalene nawo umraro lokugcwala kakhulu kwamaklasi. Ihlangano le ithi isisombululo ukuthi uhulumende abekele phambili kwakhe ezinye inkolo.
What we are calling for is for the provincial education departments and the Department of Basic Education to treat this with the seriousness that it deserves.
Izazi ziyelelisa ukuthi abafundi abazithola basebujameni obufana nalobo babhalelwa kulalela kuhle eklasini ekuthinta kumbi imfundo zabo.
Control and manage and provide an educational environment to such a large number of small children defies the normal pedagogical requirements of teaching small children.
Umnyango wezefundo esifundeni esuzibophelela ukuveza amahlelo ayo okuqalana neentshijilo zomthangalasisekelo ngosondo.
We will be dealing with the issue of infrastructure challenges and the general state of education in our province on Sunday through a press conference.
Nakusenjalo ababelethi bafungile bathi bazokuragela phambili nokugandelela umnyango lo bekube mhlakulalelwa inlilo zabo.
Usomkhandlu wezefundo eGauteng uLebogang Mayile uthi kuyokubiza imali ezingidigidi ezima-45 zamaranda ukuvuselela umthangalosisekelo weRiverlea Secondary School ngemva komlilo otshise isikole esizolo ebusuku. Sekulihlandla lesithathu kubikwa izehlakalo zokutsha kwesikolo lesi solo kwango-2007.
Isehlakalo sokutsha kwesikolo siliya abafundi abama-320 abenza ugrade 8 kunye nograde 9. Abangaziki ukuthi bazokubuyela nini nasele kunje. Kusolakala ukuthi umlilo oqubuke lapha uthungelelwe. Kwatshiswa neklasi elisebenza njengebulungelo ncwadi lesikolo lesi, amanye amaklasi amabili kunye nelifundisa ngezesayensi. Amalungu omphakathi akhuthazwa ukuthi avele ngaphambili nange kukhona owaziko nakusaraga iphenyo ngokutsha komlilo. Amanye amaklasi esolo atsha ngo-2007 akakabi ukuvuselelwa ngobutsha bekube nje. Umayile uthi sekuhlelo abosonjiniyera abazokusebenza ngamahlelo afaneleko ukuvuselela umthangalasisekelo wesikolo
There's no any other way of explaining it. And that's why we want to urge members of the communities who might have seen something to cooperate with the agents of law enforcement. So instead of using money to buy temporary classrooms, we are going to take that. Unfortunately, that could take us 5 days extra or 10 days extra.
Nakusenjalo, abafundi bakwa grade 8 nabakwa grade 9 bafundiselwa ngeholweni.
Umndeni womholi we-SACP osele azile kiboyisemkhulu uChris Hani akhange kuye emnyanyeni wokubeka kwamathuthuva ethuneni lakhe. Umndeni kaHani usola ngokuthi awufuni ukuzibandakanya nomasipalata wekuruleni. Ngakelinye ihlangothi ANC ne-SACP aziboni ngelihlo linye njengomana ikomiti esebenza kwehlanganweni le kulindeleke ukuthi ithathe isiqundo malungana nobudlelwano bayo ne-SACP.
Obungasesebuhle phakathi kwe-ANC ne-SACP bubonakale ngesikhathi kuvakatshelwe ethuneni likaMakadebona uChris Hani. Umnyanya ebekufanele kube ngewokubeka amathuthumbo uphenduke ikundla yezepolitiki kanti umndeni akhange uzithwenye ngokuya. Inzathu eziveziweko ezivela emndenini wakaHani zithi awufuni nayinye into ethindana nomasipalata wekuruleni.
The family is unhappy and the Communist Party is unhappy about two things. One, that the municipality saw it fit, despite a sound and a solid agreement between us, about the nature of the proceedings today. Number two, that the family is also unhappy because the family has some issues that are long-standing that it has with the municipality relating to managing the legacy of Chris Hani.
Kodwana ngokutsho komphathi wesikhwama semali ze-ANC uDr Gwen Ramokgopa, umndeni akhange uphumelele ngombana ubhujelwe. Kodwana i-SACP ithi yona ayikaziswa ngokubhujelwa.
The family is grieving. They have a death in the family and therefore cannot and could not have participated today.
Iphiko lelutsha le-ANC akhange liyingene yokuthi umndeni awuzi. Lichinge ethuneni likaChris Hani labeka amathuthumbo lithena lapho lathumela umlayezo kunobhala zombelele we-SACP uSoli Mapayila.
Chris Hani belongs to the African National Congress, and the real SACP that is in the alliance with the ANC for over 100 years belongs to Chris Hani, not the opportunist careerists who fail when they contest the structures of the ANC, want to utilize the platform of the Communist Party for their own personal gains and interests.
Ikomiti esebenzako ye-ANC kulindeleke ukuthi ibambe umkhulumiswano ngobudlelwano bayo ne-SACP ukuthi ingakhani biyaraga nofana njani. Kunegandelelo lokubana abaholi be-SACP abasisengaphakathi kwe-ANC bakhethe phakathi kwenhlangano ezimbili lezi.
Nasibuya entolo.
You have to ukuthi sikhathe your womb because of beyinengade nengade besingayiboni ukuthi iqhamuka kuphi, so operation yakho was very bad. Kahle kahle vele they almost kill you.
Uyalila umma weMatsulu uthi ufuna impendulo eminyangweni wezempilo wesifunda seMpumalanga ngemva kokukhutshwa isibelethwa angakatshelwa kuhle ukuthi kubangelwa yini ukuthi sikhutshwe. Sisaraga nendaba lapha mbukeli nazi kuphundileko ziyatholakala ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X naku-Facebook. Asirage nazo. Uma oneminyaka ema-52 ubudala weMpumalanga uLindiwe Nzima usola isibhedlela seBarberton ngokuba budlabha nakabeletha ngokusikwa ngomnyaka ka-2009. Uthi nakasikwa kwesibili esibhedlela iRob Ferreira watshelwa ukuthi kufanele akhitshwe isibeletho ngombana akhange asikwa kuhle nakabelethako. Sibawa benhliziyo ezibuthakathaka bachide kancane.
Abantwana abathathu lo wabeletha ngokusikwa kodwana akhanga sikwe ngefanelo. uLindiwe Nzima uthi sola kathola impendulo ngemva kokutshela ukuthi wakhitshwa isibeletho. Uthi solo kwango-2012 ugcwalisa amaforomu akaqedi ulinga ukuthola ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngalokhu-ke ungenwe yaphuma emsebenzini ngombana ubuthakathaka kezempilo.
Bawetha uDr vele wadongitshela ukuthi abazange bakujuba kahle operation like kahle kahle vele they almost kill you. Ngokutshela nje iqiniso ngengize ngikufihlele. Yabo ngathi mina hawu njani manje wathi nyalo part of your body ayisaphelelanga njengoba ungenile esibhedlela because you have to ukuthi sikhathe your womb because of beyinengade nengade besingayiboni ukuthi iqhamuka kuphi, so operation yakho was very bad.
Umnyango wezempilo uthi zingaphezulu kwekulungwana namakhulu amabili izehlakalo ezibikiweko zobudlabha embedlela. Yeke-ke kunamakomiti akhona okuqalana neentshijilo zabangongoyilako.
Maningi ama-millions lekasiso achithekako ekubhadaleni lama case nokuthi kube ne-committee letuba ibuka kusebenza kwabodokotela nabonesi ukuthi labo mhlambe labatholakala ukuthi mhlambe abakasebenanga kahle abakinaka kahle kuya ngalesi sikhathi kutholakala ukuthi bayiswa kuma-disciplinary hearings.
Konke lokhu kwenzeka nje inyanga kaMrhayili yinyanga yokuyelelisa ngokubeletha ngokusikwa.
Iphiko elilawula imikhawulo lithi lithwenyekile ngokukhuphuka kwesibalo sabantwana abanganamaphepha okuba selizweni abasuka eZimbabwe bayama emlanjeni Limpopo bezenganeno eSouth Africa. Abogadi bakhandele abantwana abama-20 ngoMvulo nangeLesibili nabayama umlambo eLimpopo ngendawo ekweqwakizo ngokukhukhutha hlanu kwesango lomkhawulo iBay Bridge eMusina. Abanye abantwana bebakhamba ngaphandle kwababelethi namkha labo ababatshejako.
iBMA ngokubambisana nebutho labajone eSouth Africa babamba iteksi ebeyithutha amaphandle anganamaphepha asemthethweni wokuhamba nokungena kelinye ilizwe esangweni lomkhawulo eBay Bridge eKuthangi. Abakhwela abasithandathu kulabo bekubantwana abaneminyaka ebalelwa ke ngaphasi ke-12 ubudala, bese abanye abantwana abasithandathu bebakhamba nabantu abakhulu babanjwe bayama umlambi Limpopo endaweni ekweciwa kiyo ngokukhukhutha. iBMA ithi isebenzisana nohulumende eZimbabwe ukutholisisa bona abantwana aba badabukaphi.
We had over 12 miners that were intercepted. You will remember it was 6 yesterday and it was 6 day before. So in an aggregated context, we have around 12 miners that has been intercepted here attempting to enter the country illegally.
uMasiapato uthi isango lomkhawulo libombo selidlula leBay Bridge ngokuphithizela ukusukela enyangeni ezihlanu ezidlulileko. Eminye imithelela yalokhu ngokukhula mlibe kwekoro ivakatsho ubukelo eMozambique. Nakusenjalo ezinye ingikhambi nabantu abebaye emaholideyini bathi ikambise ukuhlela ngefanele incwadi zokuhamba eBay Bridge beyikhamba butshelela.
This year it has been low. It wasn't busy that much. This year is different from previous years.
We did not experience any problems in our travel. The police are just doing their job, and we travel very well from Malawi through Mozambique and Nomabande border.
iBMA khona izokumemezela zonke imbalobalo zamakhambo egudi ngosondo.
Kasikala kezemali iranda lehlile nalinganisana nezinye imali ezikulu. Umera kamasipalata wethimbisile hani uLiseja Dikgale uthi kuqhakathekile ukuthi umasipalata asise emaphaliswaneni webhola wemakhaya ukuqinisekisa ukuthuthukisa nokuletha ithemba ebadlalini abasebatsha abanekhono lokudlala ibhola endaweni zemakhaya. uDikgale ukhulume lokho ephaliswaneni lebhola elidlalwa ngegxeko lendawo endaweni zikamasipalata lo iShakes Rotating Tournament. Kileli hlandla bekuphalisana iziqhema ezima-32 kanti belibanjele eBezibuhle eMpumalanga. Kubika uComfort Masombuka.
Leli liphaliswane sele likhona endaweni ezingaphasi komasipalata ithembisile hani. Indawo zilibamba ngokudlegana. Umera kamasipalata lo uthi bafakekile imali eyi-200,000 yamaranda ngombana babona bona limi indima ebonakala-ke ekukhalithiseni amakhono abadlali. Yeke lokho lethi ithemba nekuthale ebadlalini ukuthi bangapheleli kilo badlulele nengiqhemeni eziseligini ekulu.
Injongo ukuthuthukisa ibhola. I-tournament le siyithembisile sifake imali elingana ne-200,000 ukuze young people abomfowethu abathola ukuthi bane future ebholweni bathole a stage la bangahlanganyela khona sibone ukhono labo.
Umphathi wephaliswane uShakes Kabini uthi lidosa abantu abaningi ngikho lokho kwenza bona ligegiswe kizo zonke indawo zalapho kwenzela bona bonke abosomabhizinisi abasakhasako bakhona ukuthengisa kilo lokho analizangikhabo.
Kunye nabadlali abakhona laba performako sibathathe sibapromote sibase kuma-national first division nakuma-semi-professional ngoba sebakhona ekade khe sabakhambisa khona la ku-tournament ebakhona badlala professional level.
Abosomabhizinisi abasakhasako bathi nakunje nakungukatsu bamsusa khambele kude neziko.
Thanda ukubonga ithuba esilitholile ukuthi uShakes Rotating Tournament isichaze nathi njengabantu abasha ngamabhizinisi esisathuthukako sisafuna ukwazi ukuthi senzeni ngamabhizinisi lamancane esiwadwebile.
Esikhathini esiningi sihelpa ngebhizinisi ukuthi sihlala sidlile ngoba esikhathini esiningi ibhizinisi ayikho la ekhaya, so naniza na ekhaya nathi siyajabula ukuthi at least iranda ne-2 randa liyangena.
Ngileli phaliswano ezinye izakhamuzi ziphiwe imphuthelwano zokudla kanti iphaliswano lithunjwe i-Young Stars ethuthumbisa i-Offense Ice ngegondelo elilodwa elizini yakhamba nebhigiri ne-100,000 yamaranda. I-Offense Ice yafumana i-40,000 yamaranda ebujameni besithathu nebesine kube imidledle 11 ne-hotspot ezikhambe ne-10,000 yamaranda isiqhema ngasinye. Iphaliswano elilandelako kulindeleke bona libe seKwaGafontein. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngikubikela ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Kanti esikhathini esingaphasi kwama-hour amabili ukusuka nje iTS Galaxy yamukela iPolokwane City emdlalweni weBetway Premiership eSolomon Mahlangu Stadium eMpumalanga.
Asilotshise ekhaya mbukeli ngelesithathu nabo ubujamo bakho bezulu sibona lapha ke amathuba nge-60% phakathi nesifunda sangaleke ngeNorthern Cape nawuthi uchinga lapha endaweni zangale ngeKZN ngiboxopo lapha silithole nge-30%. Siyokucalela ukuthi ngakusasa mhlambe anjani na. Sibona ke amathuba lawo nge-60% achingana lapha endaweni zangaleke nge-Eastern Cape kanti ke ngapha ngeRichards Bay salithola godi nge-30% livalile eGauteng nangapha ngeMpumalanga. Imjijo iduma kumbi la silemukiso esisitholileko ngobusuku kwa-South African Weather Services lapha ke esifundeni sangale ngeNorthern Cape nakusasa pheze kusesenjalo siyakusuduka ukwazi ke ukuthi ubone amazinga okuchisa. Sithome ngesifundeni sangapha ngeGauteng sisibona ke isifunda so ke pheze sifuthumele kuphole lapha ke Johannesburg nalapha eCarltonville nge-22 Johannesburg nge-23 kusasa. iLimpopo ibonakala ifuthumele nakhona indawo zonke Phalaborwa i-28 Musina 29 eMpumalanga ibonakala nayo ifuthumele endaweni zonke kuBomalahleni Sekunda ngapho ngaboveza ubuhle lapha ke KwaZulu Natal kuyachisa lapha uLundi neRichards Bay indawo ezinye sizibona zifuthumele lapha eEastern Cape isifunda sonke sifuthumele ngemva kwamadina kulapha eMthatha nemakhanda la kuchisa khona i-30 ne-31 iJingalanga Kapa ibonakala ichisa lapha eCape Town nge-31 ichisa khulu Vredendal nge-36 neClan William nge-36 Northern Cape ibonakala ke nayo ichisa lapha eSpringbok ukuthi kezinye indawo sizibona zifuthumele iFreystata ke leya nayo ke efuthumeleko iFixburg yona ke ipholile nangemva kwamadina kusasa eNorth West sifunda sonke sifuthumele kamnanda sibona negodu ngesikhathi esilandelako dido.
Ziyalandela indaba zesizulu ngesimbi yakhomba kanti kusasa nangelesihlanu ngesikhathi esifanako ngezesiswati. Asibona negodu ngomvulo umusa.